Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today let's create a reflecting plane for our objects in Blender. First press Shift A, then add a plane. This will be the surface where the reflection appears. Scale it up until it fits all the objects you want to reflect. Now press Shift A again, go to Light Probe, you will find it at the bottom, and choose Reflection Plane. This is what actually creates the reflection. Scale it up so it matches the size of your plane. Next, select the plane, go to the material properties and click new. Set the base color to black and reduce the roughness to 0. Now switch to render view. If you don't have a light in your scene, go ahead and add one quickly. If you don't see the reflection after adding the light, it's probably because the reflection plane is inside the main plane. Make sure it sits slightly above the plane. Just move it up a little and the reflection will appear. To control the reflection strings, select the plane and increase the roughness slightly to reduce the reflection. For more control, you can also adjust the metallic value and see how it affects the result. And that's it, that's how you create reflection in Eevee. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.